Hello everyone, you are on RTSR channel. In this video we are going to speak about Google account. I'm going to tell you how to use Google without an account. It's easy and simple. Like and subscribe to my channel. Let's go. Open Google. Tap here. And tap here. Tap use without an account. Good. To get your account back, do the following. Tap sign in. Tap Google account. Good. Okay, you did it. It was easy and simple. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to our channel. Also check out our playlist on this topic. There you will find answers to many questions. Wish you best. Bye bye.